Have you ever looked at the price of organic bell peppers or a tiny bag of wilted lettuce and thought, there has to be a better way? You want to start a garden, but the charts, costly fertilizers, and endless conflicting advice leave you feeling overwhelmed. Stop right there. You don't need a degree in botany to have a high-production grocery store in your backyard. You just need to know which rules to follow and which ones to ignore. Welcome to Garden Glow, the ultimate beginner gardening channel designed to help you grow smarter, not harder. My goal is to turn your brown thumb into a green one by simplifying complex ideas into actionable wins. On this channel, we focus on what I call always growness, selecting crops based on how easy they are, how good they taste, and how much they actually benefit your health. For example, if you're just starting, you must grow lettuce. It's so easy it can literally grow in your lawn. It's high in nutrients and it's incredibly hydrating. It's like drinking your vegetables. Then there's the potato. If you're worried about failure, the potato is your best friend. It's a nutrient-dense powerhouse with more potassium than a banana. And growing it is as simple as bunging a potato into the soil and digging it up 3 months later to find 10 times what you started with. And we can't forget the king of the garden, the tomato. We'll show you how to beat those flavorless supermarket varieties by growing heirlooms that are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that actually increases in health benefits when you cook it.
Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have time to babysit plants every day. Guess what? Neither do I.
That's why we feature survivor plants perennials that come back every year bigger and bolder without you asking. We're talking about things like sedum, which is virtually indestructible and doesn't care if you forget to water it for a month, or hostas, which turn those difficult, shady corners of your yard into architectural masterpieces with zero drama. We also dive deep into smart scraps. Instead of complicated composting, I'll show you how to turn your garden into a giant worm farm simply by burying your kitchen waste, like banana peels and corn cobs, directly into your beds. It's a no-cost way to enrich your soil while cutting out the middleman.
What makes Garden Glow different is that we share the weird tricks that actually work.
The sugar boost before you plant your peppers. We'll show you why a tablespoon of regular white sugar in your soaking water acts like a shot of espresso for seedlings, stopping transplant shock instantly. The buried pot. We'll teach you how to use an old nursery pot buried next to your plants to send water straight to the roots, keeping the leaves dry and preventing the diseases that kill most beginner gardens. Free plants. I'll show you how to turn a single grocery store ginger rhizome into a massive harvest by looking for the eyes and using a simple hydrogen peroxide soak to kill off hidden pathogens.
Gardening shouldn't be a source of stress. It should be a source of joy, health, and maybe a little bit of neighborhood envy.
Whether you have a massive backyard or just a few containers on a balcony, this beginner gardening channel is here to ensure you get thick, heavy harvests and fewer mistakes. We don't just plant and hope here, we grow smarter. Every week, I'll bring you results-driven tips on everything from pruning for maximum yield to selecting the best perennials for your specific climate. So if you're ready to stop spending money on sad supermarket produce and start growing your own abundance, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
I'm Teresa, and this is Garden Glow. Let's get our hands in the soil and start growing. See you in the next video.